Good time of day to everyone, or in this video's case, good morning. But in voiceover's case, good evening. Welcome to another vlog that I have made for you. I hope you enjoy. I'll be continuing my workouts, showing you my sandwiches and meals, along with time lapses of me studying. There are some fun ones. You'll get to enjoy a pretty sunset today. Maybe I'll include a menu of all the food I ate and then maybe some recipes for the sandwiches. Also including the Earl Grey bubble tea. That one's always really fun to make, but you'll have to watch through in order to see them. So enjoy! So I brushed my teeth and then I brushed my retainers. Now it's time for the hard part. Exercising, yay! I look like a tomato. So just finished the HIIT workout, MY GULAY. They are very positive and enthusiastic though, so it's like, oh, I feel so motivated to keep going. I am out of breath. Now it's a matter of, should I shower? Or should I go eat first and then shower? I showered. Now it's time to go eat. Time to watch some anime. Now, what we're gonna be doing is homework. Don't mind that. Kind of really tired already. I think annotating takes a lot of work. I should just go straight into typing it out and then annotating what I type. I feel like that's a lot smarter because then I can start inserting pictures and also start making the charts on there. It's fine. I'll just try to upgrade or edit how I do my own notes. It's the way how 45 minutes went by so fast. Hey. Oh. He said, take my oh. He said, paint me like one of your French girls. Ew. Here's my procrastination cover. I can't play the intro or else I'll get copyrighted. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. if you want the full cover, I will do it. It's been a hot minute since I've written anything for an assignment. So we're gonna sleep on this first and then we're gonna edit it. Okay? Good, good, good. It's like, I know what I did. I'm like mega breaking out right now. It was on my neck as well. But I did my hair super cute today. And the game plan for today is to read through all of my civil humanities notes and then also to retype up my art notes, plus respond to a discussion question that I didn't do yesterday. Hello everyone! If you don't know, I own a mechanical keyboard. Since I first got it, I have not been able to give it a proper deep cleaning. It may look nice on the surface because it's all crispy and white, but there's probably a lot of dust particles that slipped in through the cracks of the keyboard. I took off one of the keycaps for fun, and then all of a sudden I just saw a bunch of dust piling up towards the end. And then I searched it up that you should be cleaning your keyboard at least every 6 to 8 weeks to give it that deep clean. So today is that day. Maybe a month late, but we're still gonna do it.
Look like mommy and your daddy, your Paris Priest, Boy Scout leader, and they're going to deliver me a so it's a shame.